yes, I believe say everything we don't watch for your TV so you enjoy and well. But even more, still they come, make you no change your channel because this na still NAIJA Life on top this TV channel. And many more inside the viewing center matter, see they come on top your screen. Make you stay where you dey so, make you dey watch as everything they go. That's so easy.
Anywhere you dey for the world, NAIJA na home. Our fine culture, lifestyle, food, passion, NAIJA na still we own. As day dey break, the NAIJA spirits go wake, and wey day don dark, and you think say na to sleep remain. Na that time the groove just dey start. Because no matter wetin happen, the NAIJA spirit no go die. This na NAIJA Life.
I don't collect slap better one for air for this center. That is for purchase better one. Because you get where they another this center where they go watch ball. So if you reach there, mostly it's players they pick fans where they there. They no be your own fans. Maybe the day where everybody here don't fool, everybody propose saying they beat your team. When another team score goal, you are happy. That day I was very excited because people who I know expect me to win, I didn't win. So now I made them give me that flower and give me that day. And the team tell me, boss, I'm happy because I did what I want for that match.
With all this kind of thing wey fit happen, people see they go viewing centers go watch match. This na because of the passion, the fun and the joy wey they dey for their body and wey they enjoy for this kind of place when their team score or even their team win the match.
Because when we come to a crowd like this, when we come to a place like this, we're always happy because you'll be hearing different opinions from everybody, you understand? When a player makes mistakes, this one will comment, this one will comment. From there, you will learn something, you understand? So, personally, to me, I always come to a place like this to watch ball. So that because I learn a lot, you understand, in a place like this. So,
Then say na person wey wear shoe, na him know where he dey pain and pass. So therefore, I say make I follow the man wey be say get this center yarn, make I know wetin him dey face unto say him dey run viewing center for inside this community.
There are so many challenges, I no go lie for you, so many in different angles. You see that sometimes some people go come watch ball, they don't have money, you know, that's one of those challenges. And sometimes we've tried to manage the issue of light. You know, light has always been a challenge. I will not go lie for you because even sometimes if you get standard generator, if light go when you don't get generator, and that's still one of the options. UPS come into that.
Also, he also yarn us how much person wey wan start this kind of business go hold for hand.
To start view center, at least if you want get standard view center, you understand what I'm saying? Like this place now, if it take you like $500,000, like okay, make I tell you now, because it no be only Premiership matches. There's what we call Champions League, and Champions League now 3 simultaneous, matches like that going on at the same time. So all these things like that, you need to balance them up to make sure, say, customers, they come frequently like that.
NAIJA, una don see am. No matter how we be, people go everly go viewing centers go watch match. Unto say the kind sweet body wey dey this place pass the one wey be say only him go get if he just sit down for him bedroom dey gbadu the level. Also, the unity and love wey this kind place dey bring no get part 2 at all at all. Na this one make us original NAIJA. My name na Kabuchi and this na NAIJA Live.
They talk say anywhere Naija they carry last at all at all. Now onto that level me I go talk say make I tell all of now who don't watch me today, so bye bye. Onto say yes, the show don't finish today, but make you join us onto this same channel, this same place, this same station. Next time, next week we will come here again. Come sunshine you another correct, sweet delicious episode will carry come onto the show. This na NAIJA Life, and NAIJA Life na better life. Make you send us your emails, send us your videos onto our Twitter, our Facebook, and all our social handles with the show for your screen where they watch. So my name na Kabuchi, and one more time, this na NAIJA Life and a better life. Una do.
Anywhere you dey for the world, NAIJA na home. Our fine culture, lifestyle, food, passion, NAIJA na still we own. As day dey break, the NAIJA spirits go wake, and wey day don dark, and you think say na to sleep remain. Na that time the groove just dey start. Because no matter wetin happen, the NAIJA spirit no go die. This na NAIJA Life.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.